Yeah, the Promass Q meter is a relatively new meter that was designed for some challenging applications.
The value that the Promass Q brings to the table is we're the only one in the market that does active correction for entrained air. My name is Darren Whitford. I am the Flow Product Business Manager in the Midwest.
Yeah, my name is DeVries. I am Project Engineering Manager for Miller Mechanical Specialties.
It started as a technology mostly in the chemical industry because it's a direct mass measurement. That's the fundamental thing about a Coriolis meter, is it measures mass direct.
Yeah, Coriolis meters have been around for probably a little over 30 years. And with the technology is really designed about measuring mass flow and doing it very accurately. It uses a Coriolis effect, which physically measures the inertia that the mass of the fluid pushes against some tubes. And with that measurement, you can actually measure the direct mass flow of the fluid going through it.
So the Promass Q is unique to the market because it does a couple of different things, but the number one thing that sets the Q apart is MFT or multi-frequency technology.
What that actually is it's the ability to measure entrained air that's going through a fluid. It uses two frequencies instead of one, and it calculates the effect of that air based off the different frequencies that are being impacted by it.
It is applied in everything from loading, so load in or load out, for everything from mass balance and inventory, or even for weights and measures or fiscal transfer, so state regulated transfer of goods.
The Promass Q can be used in most industries. The food industry sees a lot of viscous liquids that can entrain air easily. Milk's a great one, or cream in the dairy industry, but additionally in the oil and gas industry, there's a lot of two-component type separation applications where you struggle with entrained air going through the fluid at the same time.
Entrained air has always been the nemesis and the Achilles heel of Coriolis. So that's the first thing that the Promass Q allows us to improve that performance significantly.
They made the flow tubes slightly larger than what you would traditionally have in an equal size flow tube from ours or from competitors. So a lot of times you can use a flow tube that's actually a size smaller, saving a significant amount of money.
Density measurement, the accuracy getting closer to lab measurement accuracy, but with the robustness of being in a process.
Yeah, so a Promass Q can actually save you a lot of time and money in a couple different ways. One being, again, using that smaller flow tube or smaller flow meter size compared to what you might have to use.
We've had one recently where the implementation of it allowed a customer not to have to invest in close to $600,000 worth of scales that they would have had to put in to measure and be state certified. So it was a CapEx savings in that case. Out of the box accuracy of 0002 grams per cc. So that's pretty significant without any special field calibrations or extra costs in calibration that others have to do. The other piece is we're the only ones on the market, and I'll say it, only ones on the market that do active compensation and correction for entrained air. The others that do it use a software algorithm. Ours is the only one with that active correction.
Yeah, so two ways that Endress Hauser and MMS can support this product, both on the front end of the sales process. We do take the time to accurately get your process conditions, understand what you're trying to do.
From just acting as a consultant to our customers and talking through best practices, walking through sites and taking a look at where they intend to put it.
So that we are applying the product in the right way, making sure that it's going to actually meet your needs. But then additionally, in the after sales support of having an expert set of field service technicians that can assist you in configuring the device properly and helping you maintain it throughout the life of that product.
Endress Hauser is an instrument company. What we've been building since 1953 are instruments. Our focus on innovation, our focus on products is only within the instrument world. If you look at the fit for purpose and fit for application, Endress Hauser has the biggest breadth of product available to fit your application in your industry for the measurement that you need to make. It's not a one size fits all. The reason we have a lot to offer is because each one of them makes sense in a different application.
Miller Mechanical Specialties really focuses on having process experts, people with real world experience that can help marry our products that we know really well with your processes so that you get the best solution possible.